course, we've issued a next drive alert because today we've seen more crashes we've seen at 532 in quite some time. I'm going to start you down on Inver Grove Heights. That's a crash on 55. This is going to be going westbound. Look at the camera. Again, the wind is really picking up this morning. You've got to be careful this morning. Another crash that we are continuing to follow, that's going to be over in Woodbury. This is a jackknife semi. This is eastbound on 94. First responders on scene, but again, take a look at the roads. We know those crews, they are continuing to be out doing their part, but you got to do your part too. Slow down because it's very treacherous this morning on the roads. They are partially covered this morning. Another crash we're following over in Maple Grove. This is down to one lane of traffic right now. You see the center lanes, they are being taken up by that crash. So again, a very busy morning. I also want to show you one other thing. This is what it looks like. This is the Next Drive road report right now. So you see right now, some roads, they are partially covered throughout the metro, but as you get out to the western metro, you can see roads are completely covered. So please be careful this morning wherever you are making your way.
We know a lot goes into getting these roads ready for drivers after it snows, and even then, things don't always go according to plan.
We are as prepared as we can be because we all know that Mother Nature can just throw us curveballs at any given time.
So overnight road crews, they were focusing on the bridges, the overpasses there, and the major routes that could still be slippery. And we've seen that they are this morning. Our Barrett Leone bringing us the latest on the plans to keep your time on the road safe.
Yes, she's in the next weather tracker. Barrett, let us know where you are. What are you seeing right now? How are the road conditions?
It's slippery. It's slick out here. We are on 35W heading north in the Shorewood area. Looking at the MnDOT map and seeing it with my own eyes, this is a roadway that is partially covered. So this is the first time that we've seen this in quite some time, guys. We are moving pretty slowly. We are going about 40 miles per hour, but we have seen a lot of folks on the roadways already. Of course, we know that some people are likely working today, but a lot of folks traveling for the Thanksgiving holiday. We know that MnDOT crews will be working and have been working to clear these roadways. This stretch, 35W, is part of the 30,000 miles that MnDOT will be taking care of today. But of course, all the county roads, all the side streets, those will go to County Public Works Department. And we were able to catch up with Ramsey County Public Works earlier this morning, and their crews, they've been working throughout the night, but they have been preparing for winter weather since October. They're fully staffed, tackling this storm as best as they can, and there's a lot of variables that go into how they treat their roads, from temperatures, wind speed, snow totals, and more. It's really all about strategy.
This one's going to be scrape what we can off the roads and get salt down behind the trucks immediately to hopefully, like we were talking about earlier, as soon as you move the snow, you're going to have ice, and that's what we're going to need the salt to keep that from freezing too bad.
Yeah, so again, we are in the shore view area here on 35W. It's a little slick, slippery, and because Figgins mentioned this, because the road temperatures were warmer before this snow event, it's melting down and then freezing. So that is where we get into a tricky situation on the roads. So be cautious out there, take your time, give plenty of space between drivers.
And the wind isn't helping factors all that much. All right, Barrett, good advice. Thank you. Now, we know it's also one of the busiest travel days of the year for Thanksgiving, and we're tracking the prices you'll see at the pump if you're hitting the road. AJ joining us now with a look at some of these latest numbers. Yeah,
this is according to AAA. The national average for gas prices, it's actually down today. That's good news. Across the country, gas prices are at an average of $3.04, which is actually 2 cents less than yesterday's average, and it's roughly down 3 cents compared to a year ago. So right around the same price. Now, Minnesota's average, it is actually below the national average today. The state's price to fill up, that is $2.92. It's up by just 1 cent compared to yesterday's average, but compare that to last year's average, 5 cent difference, $2.87. Let's also head over to the airport and check in with Shayla to see how things are headed in the skies today.
Good morning to you, AJ and Heather. Things are moving along here at MSP this morning, and we've been keeping a close eye on the flights. So far, we've only seen 5 arrivals canceled, 3 departures canceled, 1 delay. And when you put that all into perspective, there's still more than 400 flights that are on time. We have seen a steady flow of folks making their way through, checking in for those flights. When it comes to waiting for security, we're saying less than a 5-minute wait on one side, 10 minutes less than on the other. Heather, those we've had a chance to speak with said they've had a smooth experience so far this morning getting to the airport from their destinations. Those we talked to live kind of close to MSP, so they did not have that long of a commute today. We do know this is expected to be one of the busiest travel days over the Thanksgiving holiday. AAA expecting 6 million people to fly this week. That's up 2% from last year. Here at MSP, the Airport Commission says they expect to screen more than 47,000 people just today. The next busiest day will be Sunday as everyone flies back home. Of course, getting to that destination, though, they do want to put some reminders out there. Of course, try to leave early, stay in touch with your airline, make sure that you don't have any flight changes as we are dealing with this weather, of course. And of course, be sure to pack smart and leave those prohibited items at home to avoid slowing down the TSA line when you get here. Heather and AJ.
Right. I mean, good news so far. We know MSP, they know their snow operations. So it seems like they're on top of it this morning. Shayla, thank you.